Have your chicken stop laying? Well, don't panic. In this video, I will show you the 5 biggest reasons why this happens and how you can manage to fix it fast. So make sure that you stick till the end. Let's begin. On top of the list, why your chickens or hens might have stopped laying is feeding with poor quality feeds. And by poor quality feeds, I mean feeds that have low food protein below 16%. Ideally, a good standard layers feed should have a crude protein content of between 16% and 18%. This one, it will enhance laying in most of the chickens. It also should have some minerals such as calcium that will also enhance the egg formation. It's good to avoid feeding a lot of grains and especially the starch grains, as this can cause problems such as the faint prolapse that happens when a hen lays oversized eggs, pushing out its reproductive tract, often kind of fatal. To fix this, supplement the feeds with s- protein supplements and also add some minerals such as the calcium. This one will help in raising the crude protein of your feed. Now, the second reason is diseases. The number one indicator that your hens have a problem is a drop in egg laying. Diseases such as coccidiosis can cause severe and fatal drop in egg productivity. Once identified, it's good to initiate quick treatment so that this one cannot reach the acute or even the fetal stage where it will cause the death of birds. So one of the reasons that may be causing is diseases. Check out and scout for any diseases that may be affecting them. Now, another thing that can cause a drop on eggs are parasites and even fleas and mites. Fleas and mites tend to suck blood from the birds, causing disturbance and also lowering the egg productivity. To fix this, ensure early treatment, and also you can use products such as the poultry dust to kick out the parasites and the fleas. The third reason that can be causing a drop of eggs laying in your chickens is stress. Yes, just like other animals and even human beings, hens tend to have stress, and especially in terms of movement from maybe one region to another, or if they are fighting with other birds, or stress related to changes in feeds, or even stress related to changes in weather. Yes, and especially with the weather. When weather becomes extremely cold or extremely hot, this has a negative impact on the hen and thus impacts the egg lay. So try to maintain a balanced environment for these hens so that they can manage to live stress free and have enhanced laying ability. The fourth one that is mostly ignored by most farmers is deworming. Yes, it is really important to deworm your hens as often as possible, and if possible, at least once per month. Worms, and especially worms like the loud worms, the gape worms, the sickle worms, this one reduce the egg production ability in a hen. So frequent deworming will help raise the egg productivity in your hands. Now, the fifth one that is also doesn't cross the mind of most farmers is age. Yes, everything gets old. And as it gets old, the productivity also shrinks. And so it does happen with hens. As they get old, their productivity declines and they tend to lay less and less. If you are a farmer, you are focused in eggs production, the best thing you can do with this one is to eliminate those that are old and replacing them with younger hens that can also tend to lay more. Now, for these other indigenous, the Kenyajis, as time goes by, because you are interested in both the meat and also the eggs, you can tend to convert it to a meat and even sell it later. But these are the 5 reasons that may cause your hens to stop laying. Another sixth one that is also highly undermined is that maybe they have not reduced the lay, but as they lay, they eat. That's something else that you should also consider. Consider if they are eating their eggs after laying. And if they do, you can manage